Happy Friday, this is Miss Linnea. Today we're going to do an experiment with vinegar and baking soda, but it's going to be a little different. We're going to make vinegar popsicles. You will need an ice cube tray, vinegar, food coloring. I'm going to use blue and red to make purple, some toothpicks, and some baking soda. First, pour your vinegar into a glass. Then add your food coloring and mix it together. Then pour your colored vinegar mixture into some ice cube trays. Stick one toothpick into each filled section. Then put the tray into the freezer for several hours. Once everything is frozen, pop out the cubes. You can use the toothpick to hold. Next, get out a tray or a dish and pour in some baking soda. Put your vinegar pops in the baking soda. And now we wait. See what happens and hear what happens as the vinegar pops begin to melt. Like most vinegar and baking soda experiments, when you put the two together, things begin to bubble. This is because of the acid in the vinegar and the base in the baking soda. This chemical reaction creates carbon dioxide, which makes bubbles. Mix up the experiment by adding different things into the ice trays. What happens if you freeze the baking soda instead of the vinegar? Try this out at home and let us know.